ultimate best results when applying an eyeshadow, use just 2 shadow brushes. One big fluffy brush to apply base shadow, and then one small crease brush will allow you to do detail work and get a blend for the crease. I would always recommend putting a base shadow on first, a flat matte tone, all over the lid, and something with a little glow for under the brow to give a little mini eye lift. You can always play with a lighter color pressed on your lid and a darker color pressed in the corner of the eye, making sure not to go past that last lash, and then just taking a windshield wiper motion back and forth to where the eye bulb color starts. That big puffy brush can come back in and do a really good blend.